Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to create own fonts and how to use it. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open Play Store and search here Fonty, Draw and Make Fonts and install this application. And now open and allow and click on New and give the font name here and give here the other name and click on Done. And now draw your font here. And click on Done. And now if I type my text here, so here you can see I have successfully created my own fonts. And now let's see how to set the fonts to our keyboard. So click on this little keyboard icon here and click on Next and check the option here and turn on Fonty keyboard use and select Fonty keyboard from this second option and click on OK. So this is how we can create our own fonts and this is how we can use it. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.